Okay, so up to here it is very nice only. So up to here everything is okay, but the registration fee is there 1500 to 12,000 rupees. So if you are providing the work genuinely, what is the need of this registration fee? You can provide the work, so we can do it and we can submit to you. So what happens if you provide the work freely means everybody will take the work. I will do the work. So what happens if we provide the work for 10 people, only 1 or 2 guys can submit the work in time. The remaining people cannot submit the work. For that reason, what happens, to get rid of these spam workers, this is the registration fee. Right. Those who are working according to company rules and regulations and company's requirement, for that people this work is absolutely free for lifetime. Okay, so what happens, so 10 people, unless our projects will get into loss. So 100 projects are there. So we provide them freely. What happens, everybody will take. So our projects will go off only. So immediately we have to, our job works will be vanish out. Then one person will come over here, sir, I want the job work. So he is a really sincere person. So but I don't have work to give you. Okay, 100 projects are issued, but how many projects successfully I can get back? I cannot analyze it. For that reason, so only for specific persons only we want to provide you the work. For that reason only this is the registration fee. Here company is not depending on your registration fee. Here we depend only on your work. See here, for example, you are taking this plan. Suppose you are paying this much of registration fee to the company. So on 10 months only one time you are paying, and for this package we have to pay you around 15,600 rupees every month. This is totally 10 months contract period. In this 10 months contract period, so how much it will be? 1,56,000 rupees. Is it possible to pay you that much of amount if you are dependent on your registration fee? It's not possible. Even if I give 10%, 20% interest also outside, it's not possible. So how it is possible means, simply you are performing 600 pages of data. So we are getting the amount from our clients. From that amount we are sharing the amount as a salary for the customer. So depending on your work, not on your registration fee. Okay, so right. So here one thing you can easily analyze that. So here we are providing the 15,000 change means company will get little bit more money only. Yeah. Right, 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000, how much bit more money only. If you are not submitting the work in time, or if your work is with full of mistakes, we are getting into full loss. That in front of that loss, the paid registration fee, what it is there, it is almost nothing only. That's what we cannot give you the registration fee back for the rejected projects. But actually company will get into loss for real projects. Right. Okay, so for that reason only this is the registration fee. So here registration fee is 100% refundable for sincere persons. See, for sincere persons, if you provide the data, freely, they can perform the work. Even if the people pays the money also, they can perform the work. But we don't know who are working sincerely for the company. Okay, once we come to know that the person is working sincerely for this company, for that people this work is absolutely free for lifetime. So when you are going to understand whether I am doing sincerely or not, yes, this is 10 months contract period. In this 10 months contract period, if you attain 90% of above accuracy every month, okay, just sit and do the work, automatically it comes out. Okay, so continuously 6 months, 7th month itself you will get your registration fee back along with your salary. Okay, otherwise, so do I have to wait for 6 months? No, not compulsory. Everything depends on your working method. So in between this 10 months contract period, if you attain 95% of accuracy, any 2 continuous months, then 3rd month itself you will get your registration fee back along with your salary. No registration fee, no contract period. Work is absolutely free for lifetime. Because you are giving 95% of accuracy 2 months means we can easily analyze, yes, he is the genuine person to the company. So for that people, work is absolutely free for lifetime. Okay, because of our genuine projects we need a genuine person also. Okay, in these 2 conditions we give you the registration fee back. Okay, in which conditions we are not going to get the back means only 2 conditions. If your work is in unsubmission, or if you are doing the work with full of mistakes. So for that people only get into loss, because here we are getting into more loss than customer is getting. Right. So because this mouse is useful for specific people only. Some people may use it as a paperweight also. The data what we are giving here, that is important to ours only, our company only. It is not compulsory to very important to the customer also. Time hai to karega, nahi to nahi karega. First important goes to personal activities, next it goes to the work. For that reason only, so this is the registration fee. Okay. Next,